5 months ago, this landscape was a predator's paradise. 1 million wildebeest, 300,000 zebras, and 200,000 gazelles, nearly all gone. And the Great Migration won't return until summer. Now, only the locals remain. Experienced and wary. Spring can be a tough time for a cheetah mum. Her 2 6-month-old cubs need to be fed every day, or they'll begin to starve. But she must pick her moment, conserve her energy. The cubs have a different agenda. Playing is how they learn which animals are impossible to catch, and which ones fight back. With practice, they will be able to accelerate faster than most sports cars and reach speeds of up to 65 miles per hour. But not yet. Right now, they're just being a pain in the tail. Enough with the play. It's time to go to work. As far as we know, cheetahs are the fastest land animals to have ever existed. They can execute turns at speeds that would break the legs of other animals. But, like any high-performance athlete, success or failure is separated by the tiniest of margins. A hunter's dinner is never guaranteed, especially at this time of year.